Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the 720 Drop Lab. I'm back in the garage and you guessed it, I am back on the 720. Today, let's talk Phantom grills. Okay, let's get started. So I've got this Phantom grill. This is the Phantom grill that was originally created for the Nissan 720, and I've had this Phantom grill since sometime in the 90s. Now, I originally thought that the Phantom grill just went over top of this grill until I actually received it, and of course it won't work that way. So I called back to the place I bought it from. They basically told me that you needed to cut out a section of your factory grill and insert this in place of that. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get this Phantom grill out of this old shell. Now again, I said it was rivets, so there's these hollow tubes that each of the fins are welded to. There's 4 of them, and they have these rivets in the top. So we're just going to drill the rivets out. Take these screws out. Hang on to these because I'm going to use those when we put it back together. Okay, so we got the Phantom insert out of the old grill. And this is the new grill that we're going to put it in. This is a factory grill. I think it's going to fit a lot better in the factory grill than it fit in the aftermarket grill, I think. Again, now I'm thinking that I should leave the light portion on each side of the grill and just cut out the center section. Okay, let me get a Dremel, clean up these cuts. Okay, that's all cleaned up and smoothed out. Now, of course, we got to drill the holes for these rods to go through. But I want to also make sure it's not going to interfere with this clip that's holding this stainless steel on here. This tab right here for the metal trim that's on the outside, I think it's sticking out too far here. So this tab and this tab, I think what I'm gonna have to do is take the plastic portion off and then bend the metal around. Go in here. Now I'm gonna take this metal and fold it flat like that. Now we can make a deeper slot. Okay, now a quick recap on what we did. We cut out the middle section of the grill. We evened up these cuts with this plane right here. Same thing at the top, evened it up. Cut these off, evened that up, and we left the light sockets in there. Now, we also notched here, 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 and here. And we also took the tab, plastic tab off the back of this and folded the metal piece up like that. Now remember, the bottom of it is wider than the top. So we have to slide it in that way. So we come in here. Just like that. Then we tap it in. Now I can lay something here. Push it down flat. Lay something here. Push it down flat. Now let's get it on the truck and see what it looks like. Hey guys, that does it for this video. Remember, if you got any questions or comments, post them below. I'll do my best to answer it. So until next time.
Think your system can rock the spot. Show me how many watts you got. Think your system can rock